Hello everyone, welcome to part 27 of Laravel API tutorial, and we are going to continue working on the user API registration that we have started in the last video. So we are going to register user at the multiple website at the same time. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we able to register at both website, basic and e-commerce, basic e-commerce and advanced e-commerce websites. So we registered at first website, then second website also get registration of the same user at the same time. Now in this video we are going to register into the second website. Okay, register at second website, that is we are going to register on second website, or we can write like register on second website, and that is our basic e-commerce website. Okay, so whenever registration will come at basic e-commerce website, automatic automatic registration registration at advanced e-commerce website. Okay, at first website. Okay, this is that is advanced e-commerce website. So whenever user will register at the basic e-commerce website, that same entry will come into advanced e-commerce website as well. Okay, in the last video we have registered at the advanced e-commerce website, and the same entry has come up in basic e-commerce website, and this is the vice versa of that. So let's start. First of all, we are going to open the basic e-commerce website. See here, I already opened both the websites here. One is running on the port 8000 and another one is running on the port 8010, and this is our basic e-commerce website, and its folder I have also opened their folders. So ecom 200 folder is for the basic e-commerce website folder. So I am going to update the register function here in user controller. I'm going to open the user controller, and here I'm going to update the register function. So I'm going to add the curl here once again, that same request that we have added earlier on the advanced e-commerce website. I can copy from here because we will not do the complete code from scratch. In fact, we are going to copy. See, this is the code. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to paste here. You can see here also we are having this code. Okay, somewhere. Okay, and it's better if you are going to have this code after saving the user. Okay, here we can keep it here. Okay, mm, like this. So this same code we have added in our basic e-commerce series. Now here, see, this series, this website is running on the 8010 port, but we want to update at advanced e-commerce website. So here the URL will be 8000. Okay, because our advanced e-commerce website, here also we will write. See, this is the basic e-commerce website. Whenever the user will come in basic e-commerce website, this user will get saved into basic. This is the basic code, and we are saving the user in basic e-commerce website, and this is the code to save the user in advanced e-commerce website. So we are doing both the things here, and we can only save in advanced e-commerce website if by sending the curl request to that website, to advanced e-commerce website. Okay, so this is the URL of the advanced e-commerce website that we want to hit, that we have to hit for registration of the user. Okay, so this code I have added here. So this route we need to need to create this route in advanced e-commerce website, so that the user so that the advanced e-commerce website can get this user with the post method, and can we can save it in the database of the advanced e-commerce website. Okay, so we are going to create the route. This one I will close now, and we'll open the API. In API we are going to create the route. See here, we already having one route in here push order API route that we have done in Laravel API series sometime back. Okay, for pushing the order to the third party. So we are going to create another route here. Okay, so I will also comment here register user from Laravel basic e-commerce website. Okay, we can also write here basic to advanced e-commerce website like this. Okay, so here I'm going to see I can simply use the post method here. Okay, post, and here I can use register user. API controller is already there. Okay, already exists in advanced e-commerce series because we have already worked in this advanced e-commerce series earlier on for pushing the order to the third party. At that time we have already created the API controller. Okay, so no need to create again because we are already having the API controller. Okay, so we are going to hit this URL whenever there is a registration at the basic e-commerce website. We are going to hit this URL at the advanced e-commerce website with the help of curl. Okay, so we are going to open this API controller now, and here we are going to add the code of registering the user. Okay, and for that we are going to copy that code from here, register user code, and the same code will also work here. Okay, like this. So I will remove all unwanted data. We are not required that much data, and this also redaction code also we are not required. See this one call request, no need to send email for now, this is for the testing purpose. Okay, this all we can remove. We are just going to save the user. Fine, so it seems to be fine now. Okay, so here everything seems to be fine. Okay, so now we can test. Okay, we can register from the basic e-commerce website and open the users in both the database here. Okay, so see the last entry here in advanced e-commerce series 20, and last entry here is the 37 in basic e-commerce series. Okay, so I'm going to register from the basic e-commerce website. This is the basic e-commerce website. So let's register. New mail Amit Gupta, Amit anything, any Yopmail email we can use, yopmail.com 12345 6. So let's see this ID will get registered at both ends or not. Okay, sign up, and the user have been registered. Confirmation mail going to the user. Let's see, 21st ID will come up here. No, 21st ID not come up, and 38th ID here. Yes, 38th ID come up, but here no ID has come up, so there is some error. I think we have not added the model here. Here we will add the model. See, if you have the model in the models folder, then here the models folder will come up like this. Okay, so check where your model is located, because we have this project, we have upgraded this project from Laravel 6 to Laravel 7, then to Laravel 8, and during upgradation folders and file names never change. Okay, so if you have started the project in Laravel 7 or Laravel 8, then your all models must located in the models folder. Okay, so we need to identify the issue. If there is any other issue, so we are going to inspect that and we'll resolve it. And what we can do here, we can debug the code as well. Okay, and so we are going to see here. Let's check here where is here. Okay, we are going to do that. Okay, so let's see. Now I'm going to refresh here once, and we'll try to again try to register. Okay, so let's register again. Here I'm going to open the network clean. So let's see. Amit mail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now I'm going to sign up. Okay, so let's see, sign up. Okay, session. Okay, so this is the issue. Where it is, and it's coming in API controller. So we need to include the session here. Okay, so let's include the session, use session. Now we can try again, refresh, send. Okay, so the error has come, email already exists, so we are going to try once again. Any email ID, uofmail.com, password 1 2 3 4 5 6, sign up. Now another issue is coming. Now see, here is the issue. See, mobile does not exist in basic e-commerce series. We can check here, go back and check, we don't have the mobile. So in advanced e-commerce series we have the mobile option. You can see here we need to have the mobile, so we can keep the mobile empty in advanced e-commerce series whenever there is entry coming from the basic e-commerce series. So we can keep it empty like this. Okay, because we don't have any mobile in basic e-commerce series at the time of registration. Okay, so we can keep it empty. So like this we can resolve all the issues whatever comes. Okay, so yeah, cap here some id, any id, uofmail.com, password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's try now, and this time nothing has happened, no error has come. I think it maybe get registered. Refresh, no, still there is some error, I think. Refresh here, yeah, it is registering here, but no entry has come up. We can see the last entry, 3 5 4 6 4 7 2 3 5 4 6 8 5. This is the difference here, there is some kind of difference. So we need to identify why this issue is coming, and we can try once again, but let's see why this issue is coming. Is we missing something or some other issue? So let's try to debug once again, and here we are going to have the result here. Okay, so refresh once again, and now I'm going to register new user. So let's see, I can use test now. Sign up. See, nothing is, no output is coming. Okay, so but also entry is not coming up, so it means uh, still there is some issue. So let's see. Here we ecom 6 uh, make sure that we are echo at the right place. This node seems to be the right place. Okay, here it's the right place. Here we are doing echo print r dollar result, and we are hitting 8000 url, and 8000 is that advanced e-commerce series url. That seems to be fine. And so where is the issue? API slash register user. mm, so this one, API slash register user. So we have created the route here, API slash register user. Okay, so route is already there, and API controller, it hits the API controller, and in API controller register user route is already there. See, this one is not required at our session, and this one is not required because we are not redirecting, so we can also remove this one. And now see where the issue is coming. Rest everything seems to be fine. Check once. Status also we can keep one. Okay, we can make the user active after registration. And any other issue, if we are finding, everything else is seems to be fine. And register init dollar post data. Okay, but here so check everywhere. Oh, I think I am checking the wrong database. This is the test 6, but we are having this ecom 6. This is the database there we need to check. Okay, so I think this is the issue. This is the silly thing I am doing. And last one is the test 356 at the top you have mailed, and this one is same. Okay, so let's one more revision. Okay, and now we will remove this debug mode as well at both ends, and yeah, fine. Okay, so let us try now. I'm going to refresh here and we'll do that, and I hope it will work fine. With we are registering at the basic e-commerce website. Any id we can give. Okay, yourmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will change it to 4 or 5 6. Okay, sign up. Let's see. Okay, done. Now I'm going to check in the first database, that is the ecom 6. First of all, I'm going to check in basic. Here the entry will surely come because we are registering from the basic. So the entry has come, Amit 5646224 at the rate of view.mail.com. And now we are checking at the e-commerce advanced e-commerce database. Okay, let's see. The entry has come up here as well, Amit 5646224 at the rate of yahoo.com. So the entry has come up in both the website, both basic and advanced e-commerce website. And in this video we have seen that we able to register from the basic e-commerce website. Whenever we will register, the entry will come up in the advanced e-commerce website as well. So we able to register at two websites, at both the website basic and advanced at the same time. Whenever user will register at the basic e-commerce website, he will also become the member of the advanced e-commerce website. Okay, so you can try this at your end, and if you face any issue you can surely contact me. And also we are going to do this thing live. Okay, at the website we are having the two website, so we are going to upload the code and we'll try this thing live. Okay, and much more things we are going to do in future video of the API series. Okay, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.